Hey. Buddy? Freya just cut out on me.
Real quick, fam. Cardo has partnered with the channel, allowing us to extend a 10% discount to you, our loyal viewers. Head on over to cardosystems.com and use code DUCKFAM for 10% off at checkout. Now back to the video.
Call Tim. Hey, where you at? Oh no. What? Hey. Buddy? Freya just cut out on me. Freya! Oh no, did I do it?
What'd you do?
Ah!
What? You ran out of gas?
No way! I might have run out of gas.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
I thought we were making sure that was gas.
I thought I did too. I didn't account for how much fuel I used running out to Bonimoto, I guess. I also thought that I had stopped and got gas, but I'm walking up the Canyon Road exit right now. So this is a nice little workout.
Are you walking the lights?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because Carrie already passed the exit. She can't.
Yeah.
Well, honey, if you go up to the next. Hey, Tim. Yeah, okay. Hey, guys. Let's go to the Sherry's off of Canyon for breakfast. So, honey, go up to Tim's exit, turn around, come back, pull into the Sherry's. I'll get the bike up the hill and through the light. There's a gas station right there. We can get the kids to breakfast, and I can get gas, and the kids don't have to wait to eat. I'll be fine, babe, I promise. I feel dumb. I knew something was gonna happen. More than enough? Yeah. I was gonna say, you got a flat tire, ran out of fuel, and it was on a large group ride.
I kept telling her, warning her. I told him I needed more fuel stops.
Yeah.
So we got to go to the Sherry. Yeah, over off the Canyon Road because Mike ran out of gas.
I wish I'd realized what was happening. No, sir, I'm recording.
Oh,
But if I had realized what was going on, I could have coasted further up the hill. But you guys go, honey, go.
I'm trying to find the address for the right one because I'm doing some weird turnaround thing and I want to know where I'm going. I'm sorry.
oh,
Okay, I love you.
oh.
Oh,
When you get off a canyon road, just turn right. The series is right off the freeway.
Okay. Like, I don't know, you guys are like 8 miles and then go to church.
no.
Oh, no. I think this is the next one down the canyon. Is what he was saying.
You turn around there to get back on 512 coming this way. I wonder if she'll start just long enough to get me up the hill. Oh my God! She started. I don't care. I'm a dick.
I think we were looking at the Sherry's. There was a Sherry's like across the freeway.
Yeah. Holy crap. I made it. I made it to the goose station. All right.
I brought up put gas in the car on Friday. Gas in the vehicle on Friday.
More than enough. Like, this should not have happened.
Hey, I see. Think I see Carrie.
You probably did. You see the sticker that says roll
Yeah.
down and a puppy
Yeah.
on the back.
Yeah, there you are.
Well, we could have just gone to Denny's, I guess. We're not changing it again. I'm just saying.
Oh my God.
Oh,
No. I didn't know the bike was going to start, and I didn't want the kids freaking out waiting. Right.
About everybody else.
Well, I mean, I figured the adults could handle waiting a little bit for me to get gas. Oh, dude, 4 gallons exactly.
yeah, you were out of gas.
Actually, 4.082 because I got a little stingy.
I knew those tanks are small, but 4? What are you running out of gas in there?
I mean, he gets like 50 miles a gallon.
I know. I knew they were small and that you got a lot of, good gas mileage, but
I know if I'm going to burn this thing down.
Yeah, we've been here before.
I know we've been here before, but I think it's the last one we've gone to, actually.
Yeah, I think part of the reason for that is they I think they closed down the one off of Meridian.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the restaurant, love.
Alright, guys. Goodbye. God damn, I got lucky.